So today, early morning, it rained like crazy yesterday, man. But we needed the rain, man. It was a little bit dry. So this morning we are, well, I am. Let me see if I have everything. Do I need that? No. I don't think I need the blower. Yeah, I should have everything I need. All right, so what I'm doing this morning is installing some seasonal flowers at one of our commercial properties. And you guys have probably seen the commercial property. That's the only one that I show you. Well, there's two of them, but this is one of the two. And let me see if I have all my supplies. I love doing this stuff on the weekends. See, I have my bags, rakes, my knee pad. You know, I gotta have my knee pad. Yeah. And what I'm doing is just basically putting in some, I have, let me see if you can see it. I have begonias, big leaf begonias for my shaded area and under the entrance. And then I have pentas. So I have 6 trays of begonias and 12 trays of pentas, 4-inch pots. And what I love about it, guys, is that, you know, I enjoy installing plants and flowers. I do. That's just my thing. And for those who've seen my house, know that, let me turn this off. No, that's something that I do. All right, so I'm not going to, notice I clear my throat a lot because I'm speaking low and I'm not speaking at the regular tone, but I'm not going to show you the whole installation, just snippets here and there. But if you want to see installations that we've done prior and is detailed installation on the soil and everything, you know, check on the top. I'll place it on the top for you guys that are interested in it. And I know I keep saying it, guys, and I will say it one more time. Flower installation, man. Seasonal flowers. Well, let me put on this doggone seatbelt. Seasonal flowers is a way to go. Is a way to go. Now, some of you might be saying, man, this is a weekend and you're out here doing this and doing that. It's bright and early, you know. The wife had a long week at work. You know, kids, teenagers, man. My son, he sleeps a doggone 1, 2 o'clock, but he stays up the whole freaking night playing the video games because he only plays video games on the weekends, on days off. So, and I let him do it. I ain't one out, right? But weekdays, negative. All right. See you at the installation point. All right, what we're gonna be doing is taking out the winter flowers. These are about gone now. I'll take these out and put in some spring summer flowers. I want to show you, these are some big leaf begonias that we install. And they're gonna get real big and fill the pot. And this side of the commercial property is extremely shady. And this is all the crap that we got. But yeah. Good morning. All right, so over here we installed it. Over here we installed some pentas, and these grasses are gonna come up. And again, this is just installation. Then we're gonna fill this up with some mulch. And let me show you the next one. Right here. And again, we'll mulch it up. Send the crew to mulch this up. Some big leaf begonias. And over here, we have more pentas. And these are the hybrid pentas. They'll grow extremely bigger than the average pentas. Okay, good. I'm at home and since I'm exchanging flowers, seasonal flowers, I might as well go ahead and take these out and install some pentas as well in my yard. And let me show you, I'm going to be taking out the snapdragons as well. And I know you're probably saying, man, they still look good, but yeah, within the next couple of weeks they're going to be looking pretty bad. So it is time to get them up out of here. And I usually install these in November, and yeah, they last this long. Pretty nice, huh? All right, where we're at right now, those are the red, sorry about that, those are the red pentas, and then I'm gonna put white in the middle, and I want it real close together, so I have them right now at probably about 6 inches. So that's that. Let me show you where. Okay, so this is where I have my other arrangement. So these are the red in the middle, and on the side I have the whites, right? And also ensure that you don't plant too close to the light, because you want the light to shine. And I put the whites by the light because the white with the contrast of the white will look real nice at night. Okay, so as you can tell, guys, I love flowers. This is my proven winners, bubblegum petunias. Look at that, man, those are beautiful. And that's my lantana, they're coming up right there. Those are hybrid miniature lantanas. And these are my new variety of bubblegum petunias, and also have the bubblegum petunias here, and those are purple hearts. You don't even have to water those, man. They come up every year. All you have to do is basically keep them nice and trim, because they're extremely invasive. All right, I'll show you what they look like at the end. Oh, let me show you these real quick. I forgot the name, but yeah, I love those. Yeah. All right, let me continue, and then I'll show you the end result. All right, guys, this is the final result. This is what it looks like. Pentas. Now, these would last us the whole season. And here are the red, white, white. Nice, right? Good. And let me show you the other ones. Here they are. This is 2 rows, 1, 2 of red, 1, 2 all across, and then everything in the middle is white. All right, guys, hope you enjoy this one. Again, remember, when it comes to flowers, guys, this is a moneymaker. You're sleeping on it. All right, have a great one. Pop smoke. Peace.